We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tidy up and clean with me. Riley was home with me today. She wasn't feeling her best, so she wasn't going to school. So I really didn't have too much time to really get a ton of cleaning done. So I just wanted to do a quick tidy up of my apartment. I'm also not going to be speaking too much in the video. If you can tell by my voice, I'm still recovering from surgery and just trying to take it easy, but I did want to get a couple of videos up for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right into it.
That I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
As the day went on, she was starting to feel a whole lot better. And of course, she wanted to show you guys her dance moves and the fact that she can do a handstand on the couch. But the next thing I'm moving on to is taking up the cushions off of the couch. I wanted to vacuum underneath them, and then I am going to be moving the couch and vacuuming underneath that as well, because I haven't done that since we've moved in.
I
Earlier on in the day, we did a little bit of arts and crafts, so I'm going to quickly clean that up in the dining area, and then I'm going to go back into the living room and move the couch and vacuum underneath it. Okay guys, so you guys probably saw that other craft that we had, and this was the first craft that we made. So we made a cute little ladybug, and it does have a little hole all the way at the top so that we can either hang it up, or it has a sticker back so you can stick it onto something as well. It's still drying a little bit, but how cute is this? She had such a ball making it, and we also had a good time making the parrot, I think it is, the parrot as well. But literally there was like so many different crafts to do in the box, so it's definitely kept her busy for a couple of hours.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
Moving on over to the kitchen, I had some dishes that needed to be washed. I also needed to tidy up in here as well. And then I'm going to be moving over to the cart area. I wanted to organize the two shelves underneath, so that's what we're going to work on next.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. The way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. The way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Okay, so I think this looks so much better. So I actually ended up repurposing these bins that I got from the Container Store. So if I can remember, I will link that down in the description bar for you guys. I actually had them in Riley's playroom, and we stored all of her like play foods and stuff like that. But I figured this would be a lot easier putting them under here, so I can actually put the breads down here. And also this container is gonna kind of be like a free-for-all. So if I have any like fruits or potatoes, onions, all of that kind of stuff, I will put that here. I'm thinking about getting one more so I can clearly separate the two, but this is all I have for right now. And then of course, all the way down at the bottom are all of the appliances and my mixing bowls.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, baby.